How can you start a business wholesaling houses for less than $500? Well, I'll tell you how. Stand by. Let's get it.
Flip man, it's the flip man. You want some money in your hand? Flipping houses without credit or your cash. Get that bag.
Hello guys, this is Ty, aka the Flip Man. How to start a business wholesaling houses for $500 or less. Before I get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notifications by tapping the little bell so you are alerted whenever I upload new videos like this one, and when we go live on Thursday nights with our live flipinars where we answer your questions about wholesaling real estate or just real estate investing, period. Also, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, at AskFlipMan. That's at AskFlipMan. Understand this business boils down to generating leads to find great deals. We're going to start with getting a subscription of Deal You Later, aka PropStream. All right, so after the 5-day free trial, that's $97. The Deal You Later, aka PropStream, is going to allow you to evaluate properties by pulling comps. You're going to be able to identify who owners are. You're going to be able to see the transaction history, the mortgage history. All of that stuff is important when you're trying to negotiate an actual deal. Okay, but whenever you build a list, which I have videos on that, you're going to download that list and then you're going to upload it to this service called Mojo Dialer. I have a better experience with Mojo Dialer in their reverse lookup feature. The one you should take advantage of is their $40 subscription a month for the reverse lookup. So now let's assume that you download a list from Deal You Later and it's about 3,000 names on it. Mojo will pull anywhere from 30 to 50% of that list. So that's anywhere from 900 up to maybe 1,500 numbers. You can work that list for months. For every 25 to 30 people that you talk to are turn into a deal. Bandit signs. Now, you don't have to do bandit signs. You can stop at that 137, and if you work that list, you'll find a deal in there, a great deal. So you can stop at the $137 with the $97 with Deal You Later and the $40 monthly subscription with mojosales.com, Mojo Dialer. The size and the number of bandit signs that I recommend are 200 signs, one color work. They work for years for me. I just started going to two color maybe 2 or 3 years ago. 18 by 24, but you want the portrait look because that's going to look different than anyone else. I recommend white, either red on white or blue on white. Okay, so 325, and then you're going to need cable ties. I can normally find a pack of 500 from Home Depot for about $35. Bam, that's starting a business wholesaling houses for $500 or less. Say it turns into $5,000. You got a 900% ROI, which means return on investment. Where can you get that at? And we're talking in a 30 to 90-day period. Part of that $5,000 obviously goes into your pocket. You have a business that you're really running because you're making so much money. The business continues to feed itself. It's a small amount as a marketing budget. You can add on a virtual assistant. It just keeps going and on. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Tap the little bell there to turn on the notifications so you are alerted whenever I go live on YouTube and when I upload videos like this one. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at AskFlipMan, also on Twitter, the same handle. Thanks, and we will see you guys on the flip side.
Flip man, it's the flip man. You want some money in your hand? Flipping houses without credit or your cash. Get that bag.